Hi, and welcome to Service Hive. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create and publish a service listing and explain all the available options so your service is properly configured and ready for customers to book. Let's get started. First, select the service categories. Service Hive uses a 3-level category system to organize services. Start by selecting the parent category. For example, automotive, cleaning, or home maintenance. Next, select the subcategory. For example, car wash and detailing. Then choose the secondary subcategory, which is the most specific type of service. For example, interior detailing, exterior detailing, or full detailing. Selecting the correct categories helps customers find your service easily when browsing the platform. Next, enter the service title. Your title should clearly describe the service you are offering. For example, complete interior and exterior detailing with premium cleaning supplies. A clear title helps customers quickly understand what the service includes. Now write the description under About this service. Here you should explain what the service includes, what areas will be cleaned or repaired, and what the customer should expect. A good description builds trust and helps customers understand the value of your service. Next, add service features. These highlight what is included in the service and why customers should choose it. For example, include exterior hand wash, interior vacuum, wheel and tire cleaning, and so on. These features make it easier for customers to compare services on the platform. Now scroll down to the pricing section. Service Hive allows vendors to choose different pricing models depending on the type of service. You can select either fixed price, a flat price for the entire service, or hourly. Customers pay based on the number of hours required. In this example, we are using fixed price. Enter the price of the service, for example, $180. Then set the service duration such as 2 hours and 30 minutes. This helps the platform schedule bookings correctly. You can also add optional add-ons. Add-ons allow customers to customize their service and increase the value of the booking. For example, engine bay cleaning, $30. Pet hair removal, $30. Odor treatment, $25. Deep carpet cleaning, $45. Customers can select these add-ons when booking your service. Next, set your availability schedule. Choose the days and times when you offer this service. For example, Monday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Tuesday, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can also click Add Day to include more availability. Next, set your team capacity. This defines how many customers you can serve at the same time. For example, if you have one team working, set it to 1. If you have multiple teams that can perform the same service simultaneously, increase this number accordingly. Then set the buffer time. Buffer time is the break between 2 bookings. For example, if your service takes 2 hours but your team needs 30 minutes to travel or prepare, you can set a 30-minute buffer. This prevents scheduling conflicts between appointments. Next, configure the service zone. This determines how and where the service will be delivered. You can choose in-store, where customers come to your location. Mobile, you travel to the customer. Both options are also available. Don't forget to click Yes if you require customer address. Customers will enter their address when booking. Next, enter your service location. Then choose your service radius, which defines how far you are willing to travel. For example, 20 kilometers. Customers within this radius will be able to book your service. Next, upload photos to your gallery. Photos are extremely important because customers cannot physically see your service before booking. Make sure your photos are clear, professional, and high quality. Good images increase customer trust and improve booking conversions. Finally, review your service details. Make sure everything is correct. Then click Save and keep the service active. Your service will now be visible to customers on Service Hive.